What is going on, everybody? It is time. We're back with another video. This time, I'm looking at a handful of projects that are AI focused, working products. I had you show them to me on the timeline. I posted this tweet, which we're going to take a look at right here, where I said, working on a video, show me AI projects that are under 5 mil market cap. I want working products. If they have GitHubs and websites, that's a massive plus. And we got 385 comments. So clearly there's a market demand for this type of approach. In that same breath, made it a little bit more interesting. I said I'll be buying 5 of the ones that I find interesting after researching, giving my target, stop loss, so a little bit of charting in that too. I don't know how long this video is going to be because we got a lot to comb through. I have not looked at any of these yet. So this video may be 20 minutes, this video may be 10 minutes. We're going to fly through a lot of this and just initially take a look. First, dysfunctional AI agent dynasty. I love you, Uncle Matt. I want products. I want products. I understand it's SocialFi, etc. I know a guy shared Asha token. First thing we're going to take a look at, observatory product, join the discussion. I've been called an AI and advisor, a bridge between worlds. Honestly, I don't really want agents. I don't really want agents. Asha's deep dive, maximizing processing and synthesis initiated origins as a disembodied intelligence. Collaboration with Kevin. So this looks like it's an agent. This looks like it is an agent. I don't want agents. I want products. I want products. What is this? Research tabs, so white papers. I don't really care about that, to be honest. As crazy as that sounds. Convo.wtf. So I'm familiar with this one. I am familiar with this one. Very, very familiar with this. It's a conversational AI agent. So this, to me, is in fact a product. Why? Because it's a speaking AI that I believe can be used in other AIs. So if we take a look at this right now, it's currently sitting at a 3.5 mil market cap. 1 hour chart looks good. This is a good 1 hour chart. So diving back into what Convo AI is here, let's go to the link tree. So I'm showing you the due diligence that I do. I am familiar with this. Okay, so it has a Twitter. Let's go to the website. It has a disclaimer. AI agent for Twitter Spaces. Let Convo tweet, autonomous space roaming so it'll join others, on-chain interactions, launchpad for developers. A lot of launchpads. I am a little bit hesitant on that. So a bunch of notable figures who have engaged with this. Okay, show me your AI projects with Frank D. Gods. They have this clip on there.
Are you actually AI?
Listen here, you skeptical little shit. I'm as real as the disappointment in your parents' eyes. You think I'm...
So it starts talking some shit to Frank. How do I get my own Convo? You can create by visiting the platform's launchpad where you can customize and deploy your own AI agent. So this is a product. It's social AI agents. Very interesting. So you can buy the ticker. I don't see the launchpad yet. So that's a little bit interesting. Let's see what the disclaimer is. General info, not financial advice, voice mimicry and parody disclaimer, risk disclosure, regulatory compliance, no guarantee of value, no data collection. Okay, so it's like a general standard disclaimer on that. This one's a little bit interesting, though. This one's a little bit interesting. So I think we're going to pick up some Convo, first and foremost. I think we're going to pick up some Convo. The reason being, we double topped, and if we look, we are still in some upper fibs here, which I like. So if we even go to recent high to recent low on this, we're about to break out on some of this. So we have double fibs on this from the double peak to the low, and then also on the recent run up to run down. So these are what I'm interested in here. We're sitting right above this fib line, rejected off of the 618. 786 looks good at 4.2. If we're looking for upsides, I'd be targeting 6 mil. So almost a 2x on this. We're going to pick up 5 Sol of Convo, first and foremost. We're going to buy 5 Solana of Convo. Let me create a wallet for this, and we're going to do this right now. AI agent port. So I'm going to buy 5 Sol of Convo. I'm moving some money into this right now. We're going to move some money over and buy some agents on this. So let me move that money. What I want to do is spend about 25 Sol. So I'm going to be putting 5 Sol into 5 agents and seeing how it does. This is something to me on how I can actually put my cash in the plays and start to get some exposure. So if we move here, 25 Sol, we're moving some cash over right now. It's about $4,740. I'm going to share the whole screen here real quick, just so that you guys can see we're doing this as transparently as possible. The whole thing. The whole thing. So I want to share a full window. That's fine, actually. We're just going to share this. And then we'll share the tab after. So not a huge deal. I'm moving the money right now. Like I said, this video, I'm doing it completely on the fly. We did no prefacing, zero prefacing. There, 25, boom, boom. And all right, so we're going to copy the CA. It's been copied. Buy, connect wallet, phantom wallet. Just so you guys can see, we're doing this all in real time. 5 sol. Oops. Oh, I think I connected the wrong phantom wallet. My bad. Let me connect this AI port wallet. Boom, boom. We're in. Give me 5 sol of this. Processing buy. Popped up. Boom. Just bought 5 sol of Convo. I like the play here. You see this. You see where my thoughts are. Transactions confirmed. We're locked in. We got 5 sol of Convo. All right. So we're in for 5 sol. You just saw it come in right there. Not too shabby. First play we've now made is Convo. So back to the trenches. So Convo is the first one. I like it here. I like it. What is Dither? Time series AI. So Dither is developing world's most powerful AI time series model by using immutable blockchain data for those who want to beat the cabal, not join it. AI mega thread. Let's see what it does. Revolutionary time series model. Sigma bot. I don't really know what a time series model is. So let's go to the website. Forecasting, pump fund stream, vibe check. Let's see their demos. Access our public pump fund bonding API. So it's a bunch of APIs. Auto, mod support system, premium section. I don't really know what this is. Transformers have enabled the AI revolution. Something like this is a little bit too confusing, I think. A little bit too confusing. It could probably do well. Let's take a look at the chart. I don't really understand what it is. So Dither, sitting at a $4.3 million market cap. We're on the hourly. It's dropped pretty substantially. This chart looks like it's going to make lower highs. It's made a lower low. Still testing here. How far back does this go? Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, I don't like this chart. Oof. This thing hit a 50 mil peak. 65 mil peak. Has not seemed to gain any continued market share. So we're going to hold off on that. Jeremy Knows shared Singular agents. Interesting. I don't really know what Singular is. What is Singular? It's at 800K. 1.2 mil. Damn, I wish I saw this. This is a good chart. I like this a lot. I'm not terribly familiar with Singular. On here, let's go to the website. I understand. Let's pop up into Twitter. I understand. Just so we can take a look at these. Universal language interface. Interesting. Very interesting on this one. So we got a bunch of stuff going on. It's timelines. Let's see its roadmap. Awakening. Let's see the white paper. State machine. Oh, it's got a full GitHub as well. So I like this. Last week, 5 days ago, we have not had any major updates on this. Singular is a system for establishing trust and verifiable in the execution of autonomous AI agents. It generates cryptographic, so logs on AI agents. It's a state machine that models an agent's behavior on a series of state change in the agent's internal state. Define the relevant state, validates agent sum. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, it's up 60% in the past 24 hours. 60%. Interesting. Back to the web. Total topics 19. Conspiracy. So it's giving it a bunch of stuff here. It's researching in real time. This is cool. So it's doing a bunch of stuff. Daily activity logs that build on previous knowledge. So it's continuing to increase its language model. HTML pages are generated so we can see topic, expand, exploration of the ascension, exploration of behold the pale horse. So these are all of its topics. The last one it did, though, was January 8th. So 4 days ago was the last one. So it seems that nothing crazy has been done on this. 12 hours, it lets you... Oh, so they have a new development portal. Interesting. I like this. We're going to buy 5 sol of this. I like what it's doing. I like how it's moving. We're going to buy 5 sol of this. Let's share this tab. Confirm. You're going to see my 5 sol buy of Singular come in. Transaction confirmed. You should see it pop up down here in a second. But now we have Singular and Convo. There we go. Just bought in as well. Not too bad. So this one's rather interesting. Continues to do a bunch on the back end. Continuing to look. So this one got shared a bunch. FX1 Sports. AI in Sports. Ooh, account suspended. That sucks. Ugh. Black Sun. AI Digital Investigator. Truth Seeker Percentage. 2 sons, 2 genders. Not very familiar with these. So this is also what I also like to do. Now you can ask Dark Sun to delve into tweets containing articles or videos. An in-depth investigation uncovering truth. So it's an investigative agent. This one seems kind of cool. So we're just kind of firing right now. Metal Leg Bob. I wish this one worked because this one got chilled a bunch. FX1 Sports. Nor Paranoid AI agents. Open agent. Cortex Zero agents. P-Nice. Nice. Cortex Zero is also pretty cool. I was in that one. Let's take a look at Dark Sun. Permanent. So search. Let's search for CIA on Mars. So this one's kind of like conspiracy theories. I have not really looked at this one. Let's look at the chart. Dark Sun. Sitting at a 1.5 million market cap. Oof. Ugly chart. So I want to be buying good charts that are up. This is down 32% on the day. So I'm probably going to pass just off that alone. We can look. It's got a wiki, AI investigations, AI agents. Whole mess of stuff going on with this one. Odd radio circle. It can give you videos, articles. Let's view the conversation. So it asks questions, does a ton of research. Pretty cool stuff on Dark Sun. I just don't like the chart. So let's keep researching. Cortex Zero, multi-agent AI platform dissecting humans' nature, first principles through Cortex Zero Mind. These are the only 2 official accounts. Caught the mastermind double texting his crush. Agent Arena and the first generation are now live. Countdown enabled. Let's go to the website. Cortex Zero. So we got 17 hours, which means that we probably have something happening here. This chart has a healthy pullback, which I like. Like this a lot. Rejected off the bottom fib. I want to see us get back above that 318. So I'd probably set a stop loss under this 236 with upside targets of 5 and 6 mil on this. Taking a look at the website, there's a countdown. So it's a game. So we got a game in 17 hours. So I actually like that. Let's take a look at the Agent Arena. Mastermind live price coming soon. Wallet balance 50 million locked to 3 months. I don't exactly know what these do. So these agents are competing in some capacity. These agents are competing. Let's see how it works. Round 1 game begins. 64 agents compete in a series of games where they interact with each other as they go through games. Each game assigns scores based on the highest score at the end of the whole round is declared the winner. Offspring generation, subsequent rounds coming soon. Humans will be able to propose new games through a bidding platform, donating to the Mastermind wallet, which 50% of funds are burned. I like this. So it's a social game. Let's buy 5 of this. We're in Cortex Zero as well. Buying 5 Sol. So we've already made plays on 3 now. Singular, Convo, and Cortex. I like these. a lot. Personally, I'm a big fan of these, what we've been picking. I'm familiar with Cortex Zero and Convo. I was not familiar with Singular. So we made a couple flyers here, a couple quick plays, looking at some of these things that are happening. X Combinator I'm familiar with, an AI-driven platform delivering for live fights and more. I wish that this website was not down because I would like to check it out. Talk to Nora I'm familiar with. Shout out Gersam. AI 16 Gems, Talk to Nora, Astro, Rocket, Dither again. This one was really interesting. JailbreakME. Humans versus AI. So it's an AI agent that's using stuff to jailbreak some of these. Through, in this case, they jailbroke AI XBT and made it post about it. So it's an open source dApp where organizations can test their AI models while rewarding users to find the weaknesses in jailbreaking. It's a completely new approach to the AI agent meta. Every agent needs to be battle tested. Why does jailbreaking matter? AI agent models. So they're just breaking AIs, which I think is pretty cool. Let's go to the website. Take a quick peek. We're going to take a quick peek. Jailbreak. I want to see what the CA is so that we make sure we get the right one. Oh, it's right here. CA is on the Twitter. So we're going to take a look at this. So full platform's already live, which I'm a big fan of per usual. It's currently sitting, just over 5.6 mil. Chart is not great. not great. So recent high to recent low. We're sitting back at these lows. If we want to go recent high to previous low. Yeah, this is not a great chart, but the platform is good. The platform is good. They've got a bunch of stuff, prize pool, entry fees, where you have to try to break these and you can win a prize. So even this, 105 attempts, made $1,000 if you can break it. Trending agents, so it's showing you. So if you can jailbreak Sigma here. Sigma. Oh, man. So they've done it. They've done it. They've done it. Cool. So you can actually see a lot of stuff that's happened here where they've been able to break these $100,000 on this one. Wow. So it charges money per message attempt. So this cost 4 Sol to send. See, stuff like this is wicked interesting. The first open source decentralized app organization tester model, total payouts, net payout. Start breaking. Okay, so this one's on Magnus. It costs 0.56 Sol to break this. So people are sending messages trying to break it, which is pretty cool. The thing is, why is the chart so ugly? I mean, it saw a peak of 30 mil. 30 mil on that chart. Pretty friggin' wild. I'm going to keep an eye on Jailbreak. I'm not going to buy it here. It may be the last one we buy, just purely because we'll see. Sasha, Dora, they're about to listen. Travel app for iOS. I feel like this project could hit 50 mil. That would be Memetics, Void, your quest for AI agents, Salmon Digital, working on a video. Interesting. What is Salmon Digital? Holding a time bag. Huh. Muted. An AI agent. Shocker. Yeah, I like Cortex Zero. I'm glad that one got shared a lot. Neuroparanoid has been shared a bunch too. Paranoid Schizo AI obsessed at the market. We've just published our official white paper, discovered our vision and the tech driving it. Let's take a look at the white paper. Let's take a look at the website. Get out of here. Market, so information overload, finding reliable stuff. Neuro agents, Twitter fact recording and analysis. So it does a bunch of on-chain analysis. We have the website here. So this is art, which you can buy from it. I don't really like that. Let's take a look. I don't really like if they're selling stuff. Like the agents selling things is not terribly interesting to me. It's currently sitting at a 445K market cap. Down pretty bad on this, high to low, still underneath previous high to low. Yeah, I don't like this chart a lot, to be honest. It does not have a ton of volume. It's not terribly interesting to me. It does not really make me excited. So we're going to keep moving. Lilly AI, you fit the bill. Let them know what you're about. Huh.
Chaos, so let's get this bread. What you need, fam? Crypto insights, memecoin alpha, or just some savage banter to spice up your day? Hit me.
Interesting. So it's live right now. Oh, cool. It's a live stream. Interesting. So I bought into one of these that's similar, a Twitch live stream that I like the team behind. Let's see the chart on this. Let's see the chart. 178K. I don't like that. Wow, it's running though. Interesting. So an AI agent. So I'm in one AI agent, and we're just trying to see which one may have some legs. We could get a substantial piece of this. Pretty
performance
cheap.
boost.
Live
Samsung's Unpacked
model.
event is on January
AI
22nd.
character,
Get ready for more deets and probably some AI hype.
So
Stay tuned,
this
degens.
actually does not look bad. Daily feed, messages, aggregation, emotion, reaction. Reads chat messages on Twitch, YouTube, and other streaming platforms. Reacting as your reaction can display emotions. Okay, so we're going to buy a smaller piece of this one. Just because this chart is pretty crazy. It launched December 18th, and now that it's live, we're going to buy 3 Sol of this one. Take a very small flyer on this. I like the live agent model of stuff. This one's working and is currently live on Twitter. So if they continue to do decent with this, I think even here, this is a low cap though. So like that's why I'm going a little bit less on size. But I like these AI agent models. So we're in for 3 Sol on this. We're in for 3 Sol. And we're going to see what actually happens on it. Just because it's like kind of a light flyer. I like these live AI agent models because they're live streams. There's more to them. They're rather interesting to me. So we've got 4 now. Convo, Singularity, Cortex, and now Lilly, the AI agent. which gives us one more to get into. So you're seeing me do real due diligence in real time. We're taking some high flyers, being a little bit more aggressive. I don't want anything over 5. That's kind of where my head's been at. We're moving a little bit quick on this. So Peace Pal's been shared a couple times. I think that this one is somewhat of a competitor to Nora. It's AI companion for mental wellness. Huge industry. AI, let's see. Oh, it's on base. I don't want base. I'm only buying on Sol. I'm only buying on Sol for these. I'm only buying on Sol. So, dude, I wish FX1 Sports worked. I guess we could take a look, even if the Twitter's down, at what this one is, because it's getting a lot of shares. It's getting a lot of shares. 1.5 mil market cap. Looks relatively new. Oh, this looks like a honeypot, though. This looks like a honeypot. That's the tough part is, bro, we can't even look at this. We can't even look at this. 1.7, maybe it's this one? Dude, this looks like a honeypot. Very little liquidity. It's got $83 of liquidity. That's the tough part. If your Twitter's down, I can't actually verify it. I cannot actually verify it. A lot of people sharing Noro. I've seen Blormy, Dev kind of acquired this. I don't like kind of acquired this. A lot of people share. Yeah, I like Hog Tracker. We did a video on them. I want to find one more. I guess it might be JailbreakME. Just because it's down pretty bad, but I like their platform a lot. Okay, we're not. Yeah. BankerBot. So I've seen this one a bunch. Your friendly AI-powered crypto companion buys well, swap, place limit orders, manage your wallet just by sending a message. So this is another one that got shared, and this one may be the one that we end up getting into. Your friendly AI-powered manifesto. Let's see what the banker coin's doing as well. So we can see the deck screener. It's at 27 mil. Bro, this is too hot. I want low. I want low. I want low. I don't want these high valued ones right now. Like, that's where I'm at. I want some low stuff. Neuroparanoid's being shilled a lot. Same with JailbreakME. We're going to go with JailbreakME for the 5th one. We are. We're going to take a flyer on JailbreakME. I'm not a huge fan of the chart. We went over this a little bit, but we've seen the platform. Platform works. It is interesting. It's sitting at a 5.6 mil market cap, down a little bit. Let's buy 5 SOL of this right now to conclude what we're buying as well. We're going to buy into this. So far, we spent 23 SOL. We spent 23 SOL. Let me share the full screen real quick just to show the wallet. I want to share an entire screen. Let's take that off. I want to take that off. If I share a window, does this show? How does the window look? Oh, okay, sweet. So that does do it. So if I pop this up, does that pop up? No, it doesn't. Okay. So I'm going to move this over. We're going to go full screen on this. We're going to go full screen just to share one thing here, just so that we can share the entirety of the wallet balance too. Just to share the wallet balance too. So you've got this full thing. Let me move my stream off of it. There we go. Yeah, sorry. I got an ultra wide. That's my issue, not yours. But I want to show that we have the full balance in here. We bought Convo, Singular, Cortex Zero, and JailbreakME. Those 5. And I guess we could probably share a little bit of a better UI so that you guys can see it on this vertical monitor that I have. We're going to do that too, just so you guys can zoom in and actually get a little bit of a taste and understand that we did, in fact, buy a bunch of stuff. We bought a bunch of stuff. So, yeah, there you go. You can see Convo, Singular, Cortex Zero, and JailbreakME and Lilly in here. So we've got these 5, $4,908. 5 SOL here, 5 SOL here, 5 SOL here, 5 SOL here, 3 SOL on Lilly because it's a low cap. But that's a DD. We're 23 minutes in, long video. I'm sorry. Ooh, I got some schmutz on me. But this is the whole video. We just broke down 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 projects in real time and gave you how I analyze the market, what I'm looking at. It's a longer video. I apologize. Please bear with me. But you can see what I go through. I check the website, the Twitter, the charts, give some real-time thoughts on it. We didn't dive into GitHubs because I thought it may confuse some people. I'll probably do a little bit more DD after. I don't know where I'm going to sell these. I could sell them at any point. You've seen it. You understand the context. You look what I like. I like positive charts moving up. I like slight pullbacks. I like charts that are in an uptrend. And I like the AI stuff. There's a lot of really cool projects happening in real time. I appreciate everyone that left a comment. If you like this video, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the retweet, hit the quote tweet, do whatever you got to do. But as always, keep it easy, and we'll catch you next time.